Happy New Year, everyone. 2025, yep. It's always exciting starting a new year. So much for, things to look forward to, new projects. So what's on the horizon for the Smart Energy Lab? Number one, more of these amazing tracking systems from Arctech. In fact, I'm looking forward to one which is called the Skyfly. They're going to install, I think, another 4 of these different trackers. The Skyfly is literally wires holding panels. There are only structural elements, you should say, or well, rigid structural elements are the posts and some spreaders. But there's just long, we're talking like 100 meters long, tensile wires that hold these panels floating in the air. Anyway, that's pretty exciting. Of course, there's a whole range of inverters, batteries, solar panels, and smart energy widgets and gadgets and really useful stuff. Things for doing dynamic control of export. Now that's becoming pretty much a requirement now in Australia. DNSPs are progressively taking this up. And see if I can turn around here without falling off. Oh yeah, not bad. Hey! Things like dynamic control, also monitoring solutions that allow you to see your energy use, your generation, the benefit of renewables to your installation, and this is the really big one, a very, very big battery system. In fact, it's so big we're splitting it up into 3 sections. Over 2 megawatt hours of batteries with 3 250 kVA inverters from Synicel, and the batteries are the power cubes from Pylon Tech. So 360 power cubes. So we've got a lot to work with, and that's going to form 3 different systems. Hopefully one of them will be actually grid connected as an frequency control ancillary service system. One of them will be augmenting the Smart Energy Lab and supporting what we're looking at here, which is the solar panel testing site for P-Vision. And the batteries for that system are to soak up the solar production throughout the day. And they'll be in this shipping container that you can see in front of me. So that's where one of the second of the systems. The third system is actually going to be for a microgrid for the southern clusters. And as I go up here, I'm heading towards my co-op's lodge building, which is where a lot of stuff happens, community stuff. But beyond here is what we call the southern clusters, somewhat shadier, less solar potential. And so what we want to do is put in a big battery, central battery system, 250 kVA inverter, and bring some of those tracking systems into play as the generation source. It's a big project. It'll probably take, I'm guessing here, the rest of the year, but yeah, pretty exciting. So, woo! And the other exciting thing is, I've got a scooter. Yeah, I know, it's a bit lame, but it's a great way of getting around. This is a Segway ZT something 2, I think, ZT2 Pro. Yeah, pretty nice little Segway scooter. A lot of smarts. Segway brought all their cleverness from their well-known upright 2-wheeled balancing pop sort of stick system into a scooter mode. So there you go. So that's the ZT2 Pro. Anyway, that's just a few of the highlights coming up in the Smart Energy Lab for 2025. So hope to see you all there. Great. Check it. I can't take my hands off the wheel. Well, there goes a rabbit. Geez, I nearly ran over a rabbit.